Yaman. Yaman, Yaman.
Oh, Yemen, Yemen. So yang had Raja is Yemen. Okay, so ya, Aceh.
Indonesia, Aceh. Marami ako sa kanila. Wala ka sa Islam.
So from Aceh,
Aceh.
So they travel to the southern part of Sumatra.
Sumatra, okay?
So the southern part of go to Sumatra.
Sumatra is Indonesia, okay? From Sumatra,
It might look elsewhere, but it's like there's no like it's like rocks like everywhere.
okay. So from Sumatra to Malaysia.
I think yes, they are good Malaysia, but also Orange Malaysia is traveling east coast of Kalimantan.
Okay. So Sheikh Makdum from Sumatra to Brunei. Indonesia to Brunei. And then Brunei to Tawi-Tawi and Lanao.
Siguro po sila sa buong sila.
Si Sheikh Makdum ang napunta sa Tawi-Tawi. Okay, si yung sa Lanao.
Syarif Kamsuan.
You know, Syarif Kabunsuan. We have to have like this. Our
They have another exhibition.
Okay. Semua narin from Yemen to Indonesia, Sumatera.
Aceh.
Tapos sa Aceh, Indonesia, then to Brunei. Brunei to Tawi-Tawi and Lanao. Galing.
Quite unusual in Java across century because they're Muslim there. And some of the ulama travel to Mecca. Some of the people from many world study in Mecca and bring back their religion. Yeah, just like this.
And this Imam,
Yusuf Al-Makassar.
this is the longest travel.
Yeah.
So, to South Africa.
It's like
Indonesia.
Makassar, yes.
Indonesia also.
This is Makassar down, but the area is Cape Town, is not Cape Town.
Oh, South Africa.
Cape Town.
Cape Town. Cuma Makassar.
Cek kampung.
Ada pun jalan.
So orang Makassar ramai di sini.
Okay.
Ang layo ng inikot nitong shape na ito. So, from Indonesia to Brunei. Umiikot siya.
Yun daw ang sabi ko bakit maraming mga habit-habay sa Tibet dahil kaya sa gamot. Kasi ang gamot, maraming mga habay. Yung mga descendant ng Tibet. Kaya maraming mga
Claim yan sa atin ng sukat lang na. Pero bilib ako dito, ang layo dito. You have any record how long you will travel?
I don't know. But the Makau, the tour is still there, and people visiting there every year. Yeah, celebrating Musa Makassar.
Who is this sheikh? The name of the sheikh who went to Cape Town?
Yusuf.
Yusuf?
The Al-Makassar people is originated from Makassar. So that's why this is Yusuf Al-Makassar.
Okay, so he's not Arab. He's Indonesian.
From Asian pala.
Napakalaga din pala ng Indonesia.
ang Indonesia kasi pinakamalaki nagdala sa buong mundo. Pinakamalaki. Sa ano pa lang doon, 1 million ang nasa. 1 million ang Muslim. Marami kaya sumagyan sila.
Okay, let's walk.
The earliest dated BC.
This is based on the Madsuda Maya Asali in Aceh. Giordano school is around 14th century. But there are 2 schools in Java as early as 10th century. Belong to a princess. So it's quite early than 13th or 14th century. So but the spread or some activity from 14th and above until 20th century.
So
Kung
690,
namatay ng 695 ang Rasul, 4 years lang, nag-aawa na sila. Diba?
hindi, ganito yun. After ng 696, nagdawa na sila. So itong pagdawa nila, 696,
After
after
600 years.
Dapat ng Rasulullah.
After ng 696 years,
Yung
nagdawa nila.
nagawa.
Okay. Anong school nila? Yung itong mga nagdawa, anong school nila?
Sa sila madrasa dekat mana? Wala siya. Ada ba?
Ano ba sila?
Wala.
Diba sabi nila, ano sila? Sufi? Totoo ba yun? Are they really Sufi? Sufi?
Actually, Shafi'i dan Sufi same.
Same. Okay, so totoo yun, na Sufi sila.
Kasi ang Shafi'i is ang madhab, tapos yung Sufi, yung pag malapit mo sa Allah.
Amin.
Yun ang tinatawag ng Sufi. Yung walang halong dun sa loob ng
Amin. Amin.
So lahat ng mga madhab Shafi'i, wal Hanafi, Maliki, karamihan sila nila nag-Sufi sila.
Okay. Okay. Oh, linaw. Yung Sufi natin is the same with the Sufi in Turkey.
Ang Sufi kasi may, ano sila, parang may guru o ustad na kanilang pinapalo. Tulad ng Indonesia, ang kanilang pinapalo ay yung mga Sufi. Sino ang sinusunod nila sa Sufi dito? Sufi, yun ang Sufi. Sufi, yun kasi.
Nagkalituhan. Akala ko yun.
Ang Malaysia at saka Indonesia nagsabar niya, same.
Okay, same.
Sa Korea, nagsabarniya, ito yung mga Gadariya, ito yung mga pinapalo ng Sufi. So sabi, nag-aaral kami sa Indonesia, ang pinapalo namin sa Sufi, yung mga nagsabarniya. Sa Philippines, meron din Gadariya, meron din nagsabarniya. So yun.
Sa Turkey, ano yun?
Sa Turkey, hindi siya same, ibang pinapalo na. Pero ang finish yung pagpapalaki sa Allah.
Amin.
Daripada Mesir dengan daripada Mesir ke Mekah. So, tarikat-tarikat.
Tarikat. So ang tawag is mga tarikat. Tarikat nagsabarniya, Gadariya.
Orang Melayu lah. Macam-macam.
Talagang pinag-aralan ko ang Islam, kailangan mo ng isang buhay mo talaga.
So yung mga ganitong tao,
Ang cradle, the great talaga.
yung mga ganitong tao, yung mga Sufi, walang magmamarket ko sa mga.
Oo, amin.
Kaya, ang gusto nga parang lang, dikit.
Okay, tanda. Nakakita nga ako sa buhay.
So, when Islam came, so this is known as Getlok in Java. So these two are culture in Getlok. Getlok is like not exactly like separated the house of Javanese nobility. But you can see until now even they still produce Getlok, but only in Java. You can see all the calligraphy, all of the dresses.
Oh, okay.
This is how
How
old?
Sino
This
ba?
is 19th century.
Kaya.
This was executed suggest around 19th century because it takes the Rafael and built in Russia. And you can find the pineapple, the shell, all these are Korean paintings.
Foreign.
Korean paintings, when European came, they also brought to the Spanish people brought pineapple. So this kind of pieces all these roots. And also culture, a mixture because of Chinese which then European.
Yeah, that is why.
So the color,
Even the architecture is a little bit.
yeah, similar in Chinese.
Chinese.
Festival Chinese in Java. So all these are different type of calligraphy that they use, and they build this without using any nails, similar to the mosque in Kelantan, Malaysia. This is Kampung Laut. Yes, Kampung Laut.
Sa Pilipinas.
Where's the Philippines area?
Where
This is the
area
first
that-
mosque in Malaysia.
Philippines area?
Yeah.
This
yeah.
is the first mosque in Malaysia.
No. This is quite one of the earliest.
One.
Yeah. So it's similar structure.
I
If
think
you go, I think the villages
Ah.
of Philippines also. I mean, throughout the whole Southeast Asia, they have similar structure.
Yes, the build top there is like this one. It's like
Yes.
a bungalow type.
Yeah. So it's quite similar.
Yes, bungalow type. So,
Hmm.
Belum lagi.
Oo.
Ah,
Labas-labas na.
Asian influence ba? Asian, hindi Arab word. Asian.
Parang bahay kubo, no?
Or if you want to go straight to the Philippines.
Yeah.
Ah.
Let's go to the Philippines.
Ano naman mapapag-iba yung ginagawa ko?
Malamig po ba ganito malamig?
Hindi, sa Pilipinas ba?
Bahay kubo eh.
Asian.
Mm. Philippines na bin.
So this is from China production and this is all Chinese trades. That one the people go to Mecca and came back with the original and see how they use this one. This is for the peninsula. So this one is inside the Kaaba.
Ah,
Yeah, the color is sometimes red and green. So
Change.
yeah, so sometimes it changes once a year.
what's it?
And they would sell or maybe as a gift. Yes. So you can find the three modern mosques, the Masjid Al-Haram, the Mosque, and also the Baltimore Hadith, Masjid Al-Aqsa. Yes. And this is the Kaaba, stairs to the Kaaba. And this is a reminder of the afterlife and spiritual experience. So this is ordered by a lady named Amina when she was in Makkah. So you can see this is all text containing prayers for the afterlife.
La ilaha illallah malikul haqqul mubin.
And these are prayers of the prayers.
Casket.
So this is known as Surah Al-Quran. So it's made by the Pharaoh one. You can see the orchid.
Khalid bin Walid.
Jangan sangat. This is precious for us because it's representing something from the world, from the Arabic Mandala religion.
Yeah.
And this is Baru.
Yeah. I have that.
Oh, you have
Same
that?
name with the
Yeah, baju. Inilah Baru in you took it. Yeah, Baru. We just maintain the name. Kita tak mengubahkan. So you can find the phrase surah in the dates, dates tu. Nasrul Minallah. So it's actually Surah Asar for protection.
Ah.
So they always use that. Say the Kiswah, the next to the Kiswah, the voice code just now also Nasrul Minallah. So it's a protective verse lah. Surah Asar.
This help.
Talagang alam ko talaga galing sa Ottoman eh. Dagestani influence. Ang Quran natin.
The Quran. This one Kitab Maulid. This is actually a pusaka. Cairo.
Sana
Yan talaga ano eh.
Yeah.
Napapatunayan talaga connected talaga tayo sa Ottoman eh.
at saka yung mga turist, yung mga konsulat dati ganito. Kung sa niluto ng mga Muslim yan. Ito yung mga parang
Oh, kayong dalawa, oh. Kita kayong dalawa. Maranaw ay tausok.
Masya Allah.
Oh. Ito maranaw nga yung ano eh. Yung ano, maranaw. Ito naman. Tausog to eh. Barang.
Orang dekat sana tu dipanggil mana? Dia punya tempat katanya.
Eh, no talaga ito mo, Mario? Ottoman talaga eh. Oh.
Pasal.
Eh, no, Safavid, Ottoman, and Mughal. Yung influence ba sa inyo? Ayan, no?
Saya tak pada tengok.
yung sa side ng Quran.
Ada tulisan di dalam.
Both of them here, no?
Here, take picture.
Maranaw.
Ang tausog.
Tengok picture dah tadi, tengok picture kan.
There are 13 tribes in the Philippines. Muslim tribes.
Such a bayangkan.
Orang tahu tu.
Dan also.
I belong to Malik Islam.
Ah.
Converted.
Oh. You use the Bani Islam to. Oo.